Tim here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're out in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. We're removing these folks' rooftop garden that they've got going on here. They're gonna pluck their rooftop garden, put it in the bucket, and then we're gonna flush all the gutters out to make sure all of this is gone. It sure is pretty, but not very useful in the way of getting water from the roof away from the house and down these gutters. So this is definitely a good blockage. It blocks 100%. Any water there has to go over, can't go down, and it's just an issue. So rooftop garden.